Sayang yung strawberry ko, oh. Ayan.
Just flew out of there. Their nose were in there. They're two little green birds. They're like a lime green color.
Let them enjoy.
Anytime you come out here, you need to chase them out.
But your figs is not it's not yet ripe, right? So let the birds enjoy. Man, pinapakuha ko to sa kanya nung nakaraan eh. Hindi man nang kinain o yan. Nag-dry na tuloy. So guys, ito yung pwede yung itanim. Tsaka yan. Man, ito itanam na lang din natin to. Hayaan lang natin. Ito pwede pa siguro to. Mas save. Ayan ang bunga ng ating puno strawberry. Pag may itinanam ka talaga, mayroon kang anihin. So, i-harvest lang natin to. Tapos, yung aming lemon tree, nilagyan na namin ng sangkal. Kasi, tumatagilid na dito eh. So, harvest din tayo ng isang lemon. Gawin nating lemonade. Man, ang daming bunga. Hindi pa ubos guys, pero namumulaklak na naman. Mabunan siya talaga tong puno na to. So, ang daming bunga, oh. Kita nyo yan, oh. Saglit lang. Kita nyo yung bunga na yan. Wow, grabe. Parang orange na yung lemon. Yan lang for today. Oh, naipit. Kita nyo to? Naipit, oh. Kawawa naman. Hala, ay. Ipit na ipit ang bunga.